Hi, I'm Vita. I'm here in Carver, Minnesota in the Minnesota Valley Wildlife Refuge. We're here at the Rapid Lake Unit, and this is an oak savanna that is being restored. Originally, this oak savanna, like this site, covered 10% of the Minnesota landscape, and now they are extremely rare. But when this type of forest biome was common in Minnesota, the Dakota people and the Anishinaabe lived here, and they lived in harmony with the land. I'm standing in front of a gorgeous bur oak tree. The bur oak is the dominant tree species in the oak savanna, and they are very important trees. Why? Because they provide habitat and food for much of this ecosystem. They also are fire resistant, and one of the ways that oak savannas are kept oak savannas is that fire has to clear the underbrush, so that the second part of the oak savanna, which is the prairie that surrounds these oak trees, can thrive. Otherwise, it gets all overgrown. So next, we're going to walk down the trail to where we have the prairie. This class has been about how to become a master naturalist, a Minnesota master naturalist. And we got to hear from representatives from the Fish and Wildlife Service that work here about how you restore the oak savanna. So I want to show you this beautiful blue stem, big blue stem prairie grass. This, as you can see, this whole hill is blue stem grass, and this is what we want. And interspersed with the grass, you'll see some forbs, some beautiful flowers like the wild bergamot. This one's in a little better bloom right now. So some beautiful purple flowers. There are other wild flowers in here. There's brown black-eyed Susans and fall sunflowers and other gorgeous plants that are now growing along here. And if we go on this side, though, you can see the work that's being done in order to make this look like the prairie on the other side. So there are many, many invasives here. These plants, like this Horiolisum, will just spread and take over everything and choke out the native plants. So they have to mow, they burn, they bring in sheep and goats to help clear the land. And that is a really, really important part of making a beautiful prairie. Thank you.